Hi guys, I'm Limited, and so I wanted to just kind of create a proof of concept. This is called Bazooka Bonanza, and it's a game that I coded myself in Unity. You may have seen the splash screen made in Unity, but before on other apps on the App Store or on Android or whatever. And that's because Unity is a free editor for video games, and yeah, so the free version actually makes you put the splash screen in there, but if you get the full version, then it actually does let you uninclude the splash screen, but I think it's pretty cool. So I coded this entire thing, so let's just start. I can actually go into the options and everything too, and that works like that. But so yeah, I just shot a whole bunch of bazookas everywhere. So basically, yeah, I can shoot with right click just one, and with left click I can shoot like tons of them, and because I have a pretty good machine, it does not lag it at all. But it's all using primitive objects like spheres, cubes, whatever, and basic C# code. So yeah, I coded this all myself. I found all the fonts and everything. Just kind of proof of concept. It's pretty cool. So if you guys want to play this, then I will have this uploaded on my my Limited website on a new games page, and you will be able to play it. So be looking forward to that, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Stay peachy and bye, guys.